Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to add disco eyes to your Marty. Open up the back of Marty's head and take the top panel off. Then we want to remove the battery. To take the faceplate off, press down on the two clips at the top like so, and unplug the eye cable from the connector. Now we have the faceplate off, we want to unscrew the eyes. Make sure to keep both the screws safe. Now we have the eyes off, it's time to attach the disco eyes. Peel the paper off the back of the adhesive tape. For each eye, feed the cable through the curved holes and stick the eye on, making sure it is centered around the hole. Reattaching the eyes is easier if you attach the eye without the motor first. Make sure the plastic bolt and metal bolt line up properly on the back, like so. Clip the other eye in, making sure both eyebrows align, like this. Reattach the faceplate and plug the disco eye cables into port that starts with B. Ports B4 and B5 are best. Plug the eye cable into the eye socket. Close the faceplate, add the battery and close the head back up.